I'm just a homeschooling stay-at-home mom who's happened to make over $26,000 selling digital products on Etsy. And I did this without paying for ads, without posting on social media, and only while working while my kids were sleeping. My name's Lucretia, and I'm going to be sharing with you the 5 steps that I took to make this amount of money from home to help my family. So this is an overview of the 5-step process that I took. So I'm going to go through each step with you just so you can get an overview of what it's like to sell digital products on Etsy. So the first thing I did, this R stands for research. So many people skip this step and they wonder why they're not making any sales. But how are you supposed to sell on a platform if you don't know what's selling? Like, how would you make any sales? So you need to know what people are buying so you can give the people what they're buying. And that's what I did. I looked around on Etsy, I looked around on TikTok, I looked around on Pinterest, and I saw what types of products people were actually buying. And I just made a different version of that product. So I had seen that ADHD was trending on TikTok, and I seen a girl that had a cleaning checklist. And I looked at her checklist and it inspired me to make a better checklist, like, because hers looked really basic. And so I was like, wow, I can make mine so much better. And so what I did was make mine like room by room. I had like a speed cleaning checklist in there. Like, had it with all the bells and whistles. And so I saw what my competition was doing and I did it better. And so that's one way to make sales on Etsy, is going to be do your research, see what people are buying, and either do it better or do it different. So don't copy what's already selling, like, because people are buying what's selling. If it's already on there, that's what people are buying. Give the people a different option. Step 2 is going to be to create your product. And so a lot of people get nervous with this step because they're not a graphic designer, they're not techie. But the beautiful thing about selling digital products, especially on Etsy, is that you don't even have to create the products from scratch. You can use PLR products, or private label rights products, and this is a product that someone else has created and they are giving you the right to resell the product as if you created it. So let's say that you found that travel itineraries were selling really well, but you have no idea how to create a travel itinerary. What you would do is just Google PLR travel itinerary and then find whichever one you're looking for. And so it can literally be that simple to get your products created. You can do it during nap time. So now you've done your research, you know what product is selling, you found a PLR version of that product that's already created. You can quickly edit it while your child is sleeping. Now let's go into step 3, which is to be creating your listing photos. So many people sleep on their listing photos. This is what sells your product. So I see so many people spending all their time on step 2, which is creating the product, and then they rush through their listing photos and wonder why no one's buying their product. And it's because your listing photos need to be better. The listing photos are the first impression someone sees of your product. So what are listing photos? It's whenever you go to the Etsy search bar and let's say you typed in birthday invitation, all of those images that popped up, those are listing photos. And so you need your listing photo to stand out amongst the other listing photos. And so that's why I really spend a lot of time on listing photos in the sales sprint, because I want you to make really good listing photos. Because without good listing photos, you're not going to make sales. And this is why I see most of the people, whenever I do audits for my students in the sales sprint, most of the time it's their listing photos. Like, they just need better listing photos. And you'll get better over time. Like, everything you do is going to get better over time. You'll get faster over time. But in the beginning, that's the main issue I see, is that their listing photos just need to be improved. So don't rush through step 3. Should probably take you the longest out of all of the steps, is making sure your listing photos stop the scroll, like stop me in my tracks, and shows me how valuable your product is. So once you have your listing photos done, you're satisfied with them, you're going to move to step 4, which is SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, and this is how Etsy knows what your product is so they can show it to the correct people. Without SEO, Etsy isn't going to be able to show your product to anyone because they don't know what it is and they don't know who to show it to. So you need to take your time with your SEO as well and make sure that you are using really good long tail keywords. If you don't know what that is, I teach you how to do it in the sales sprint, so don't worry. But make sure you're using long tail keywords. Make sure you have your tags, your product title is optimized, your description is optimized. So I show you how to do that entire process in the sales sprint. So don't worry if you have no idea how to do that. But you really need to make sure you are optimizing your search engine optimization. And then let's go into the final step that I did, which was making my product irresistible. Okay, so how do you make your product irresistible? There were two main ways that I did that. The first thing I did was I ran a 50% off sale because my shop was brand spanking new. I had no reviews. I only had a handful of products in there, but I still wanted to make some sales. So I made sure that I gave them a reason to buy now. So I ran a 50% off sale to all of my digital products in my shop. And I also offered them something for free. I offered them a free template. It was so I had a cleaning checklist was the product that I sold. And with that cleaning checklist, they got like a free time blocking template, and it was a bunch of other little things in there, but it was a productivity bundle. And so whenever you got my cleaning checklist, you also basically got like a productivity bundle too. And so that just sweetened the deal, and it really helped my product stand out from the other people who just had a cleaning checklist, or they could get my cleaning checklist that also came with a productivity bundle. And so that is how I made it super irresistible. You got 50% off of the product, which was an amazing deal already, but I made the deal even better by giving you an extra bundle of templates to go along with it. So if you follow these 5 steps, you are greatly increasing your chances of making sales on Etsy, and not just making sales every single day, because your products are going to be so good. Etsy's going to be promoting them for you because they know when they promote your products, people are going to buy them. So Etsy's going to keep pushing your products out, and the more people that see your products, you've offered them such a great deal that they're going to have no choice but to buy. Like, your listing photos are going to look really good. You're going to be running a discount. You're going to be giving them things that makes your product so irresistible that they need to buy now. And so Etsy is going to keep just promoting your products for you because they know that this product leads to sales, which means money for not only you, but more money for Etsy too. So why would they not share this product? So hopefully that helped you see the process of how simple it can be to sell digital products on Etsy. But if you still think like, oh, it's too hard to sell digital products on Etsy, then make sure you watch this video next, where I tell you why it's never been easier to sell digital products on Etsy, and why you don't need to worry about things like competition or creating your own products. I break down all of that in this video, so make sure you go watch that next, and I'll chat with you soon.